Guys, hope you're doing great in life. Again, I'm back with my daily skincare routine. Today, don't you think that I'm looking a much more happier, the happier version of mine? Yes, because I've learned smiling with Plum. I'm here to review the products from Plum Goodness. This is just not just Plum Goodness, but it's a bulk of goodness. It's 100% vegan. That's 100% PETA certified. Second, it's a cruelty-free product. It is not using any animal derived, no paraben, it has no SLS, and it's non-alcoholic. Guys, I'm here with the green tea acne prone ranges of product from Plum. I have a dry skin and they are not really acne prone unless and until I get breakouts during the days of my menstruation or during late luteal phase. But I have got pigmentation spots and blemishes. These ranges of products has helped me to reduce those. My sister, who has got very oily and acne prone skin, after using this product for 1 month, and she has got a good result. So let's get started with the range of products. Pore cleansing face wash. This is a gently foaming face wash. It has a jelly-like consistency with green tea granules in it, as you can see. And the smell is absolutely refreshing. I'm quite sure people who is having acne prone or oily skin, using twice daily helps to block the pores and reduce the sebum secretion, which will keep the acne away. The best thing is about this product is once you open the package, they will ask you to give a big smile, and it's clearly written stresses something which gives you acne. So in order to keep your acne habit, keep yourself stress free other than using this. This is the second step. The second product is a Plum Clear Face Mask. This is the consistency of the product. It's absolutely natural. It's a water-based clear face mask which doesn't dehydrate your skin. Instead, helps to control the oil balance of your skin, as it contains kaolin bentonite. It helps to clear the skin. Mask contains anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial properties, and antioxidant, which helps to fight acne, stops the reoccurrence of acne, reduce irritation, helps to fight back UV damages. These are all about the goodness of this product. The next product is green tea skin clarifying concentrate with a net volume of 30 ml. It comes in a packaging like this and absolutely lightweight. The texture is amazing. Just apply like this onto your skin and you're done. My goodness, I'm feeling so fresh. Cinnamon is known to fight acne and control sebum secretion. Willow tree extract has the property to fight back acne-causing microbes. So this particular product has goodness of cinnamon and willow, which helps to control the sebum secretion and stops the growth of microbes. Clarity Night Gel. It is for balanced hydration. It's absolutely lightweight and absolutely natural. The smell, it's amazing. It's absolutely refreshing. What happens is it's important to moisturize your skin throughout the year, especially during summer also. During summer, we wash our face often. As a result, what happens is the skin gets dehydrated. And it's important to wash it in a balanced condition. That means it's neither should be very oily, it should not leave a very oily texture on your skin, and neither it should be excessively dry. So this product is absolutely balanced. Once you apply it as a night cream, it's a night cream. Basically, you need to apply this during night. You just the very next day you really feel refreshed. You know, at times what happens is in most of the cases for night creams, it leaves your skin absolutely oily. In the morning, you just get up and you just feel like But in this case, it never does that. For this product, it leaves your skin absolutely dry and balanced, hydrated, neither excessively oily, not too dry. So this product is highly recommended from my end. The other products are recommended for oily skin, oily and acne prone skin. I don't use them on a regular basis until I get a breakout. I use it seldom, means hardly once or twice in a month. But this product, I use it on a regular basis every night before going to bed. I use it as my night cream. It's absolutely awesome. It has a cherry-like consistency and it's absolutely awesome. This is one of my favorite products from the Plum ranges. Amazing fact about this Indian cosmetic brand. Plum Goodness not only does good to your skin, but it is in a venture to do goodness to your environment too. They are in a venture of #empty4good. It means packaging of polymer or plastic. If you return it, you get a very good discount, that is ₹50 off on your next purchase. Don't you think that it's amazing? They are in a venture to build the goodness of the entire environment. To be a part of this product too by purchasing such goodness from Plum and give your review. I got all these 4 products at a price of 2,300 from the website itself. It is expected to get a very good discount, more than 25 to 30% even at times, if you buy it from their official website and you buy it in bulk. These products are also available in Nykaa or Amazon. You can take a look at it. I'll share the link below. So people who are really suffering from oily and acne prone skin, I personally recommend to use this range of product because it will help you to fight your acne, and especially during summer, we get breakouts very often. So try this product out, and if you like my video, do not forget to share and comment below. And since I'm very new in this world of YouTube, please do show some love by subscribing my channel.